Let's be real, most of us don't spend our days thinking about the global supply chain. We're busy with work, family, and the everyday hustle. When we walk into a grocery store, we expect the shelves to be full, the prices to be stable, and our favorite foods to be waiting for us. It's easy to take that reliability for granted, because for most of our lives, it's just been there. But here's the thing, supply chain issues rarely feel urgent at first. They creep in quietly, almost invisibly. You might not even notice the first signs. Maybe you see a few empty spots on the shelf, or a price tag that's a little higher than last week. It doesn't seem like a big deal, so you move on. It starts small. Your favorite oil is missing, rice costs more, or the brand of pasta you always buy is suddenly out of stock. These are the early warning signs, but they're easy to ignore. After all, there's usually an alternative, right? Or maybe peanut butter's out of stock. You shrug it off, thinking it's just a temporary glitch. Maybe you grab a different brand, or skip it altogether. It doesn't feel like a crisis. At least, not yet. But here's what's really happening. These little shortages quietly stack up, one after another. Over time, they start to shift your habits and routines, often without you even realizing it. Maybe you start buying different foods, cooking simpler meals, or skipping certain recipes because the ingredients just aren't there. Most kitchen staples, flour, oils, sauces, cereal, depend on just a few shipping routes and suppliers. These supply chains are efficient, but they're also fragile. If something goes wrong, a storm, a labor strike, a global event, it can disrupt the flow of goods in ways that ripple out for weeks or even months. When those supply routes get squeezed, items don't just disappear all at once, there's a pattern to it. Certain foods vanish in a specific order, depending on how they're sourced, stored, and shipped. The most perishable or popular items tend to go first, followed by staples that are harder to replace. By the time you really notice, when your fridge is looking emptier, or your family is adjusting meal plans because ingredients are missing, the ripple effects are already changing what and how you eat. It's not just about missing one item, it's about a gradual shift in your daily life. Today, we'll break down which foods tend to disappear first, why these shortages happen, and what you can do to spot the warning signs early. We'll look at the hidden patterns behind empty shelves, and how you can adapt before things get worse. We'll also share practical tips for staying ahead, like planning your meals, keeping a flexible shopping list, and building a pantry that can weather unexpected shortages. Because being prepared isn't about panic, it's about peace of mind. Remember, if it already feels like a crisis, you're probably a few steps behind. The key is to notice the subtle changes before they become big problems. So you and your family can stay one step ahead, no matter what happens next. Peanut butter is the ultimate fallback food. When you think about foods that can truly save the day, especially in times of uncertainty or when your pantry is running low, peanut butter stands out as a hero. It's the kind of staple that quietly sits on your shelf, waiting for its moment to shine. Whether you're a college student, a busy parent, or someone who just loves a quick snack, peanut butter is always there for you. It's packed with protein, healthy fats, and calories, making it a powerhouse of nutrition in a small jar. Not only does it provide long-lasting energy, but it also helps keep you full for hours. Plus, peanut butter has an impressive shelf life. It can last for months, sometimes even years, without refrigeration, making it a reliable backup when fresh food isn't available. It's a favorite among hikers, campers, and anyone who needs a quick, nutritious meal on the go. When options run low, a spoonful of peanut butter is comfort food that keeps you going. It's delicious straight from the jar, spread on bread, or paired with fruit and crackers. For many, it brings back memories of childhood lunches and late-night snacks. In tough times, that familiar taste can be a real morale booster, offering both nourishment and a sense of normalcy. But it relies on just a few ingredients: peanuts, oil, salt, so when supply chains strain, it's one of the first basics to disappear or spike in price. The simplicity of its recipe is both its strength and its weakness. If peanut crops are affected by drought or disease, or if transportation slows down, the availability of peanut butter can quickly become uncertain. Suddenly, that humble jar becomes a hot commodity. As more people catch on, demand surges and shelves empty fast. In times of crisis, shoppers instinctively reach for foods that are filling, easy to store, and versatile. Peanut butter checks all those boxes, so it's no surprise that it's one of the first items to vanish from the shelves. If you've ever walked into a store during a rush and seen the peanut butter section wiped clean, you know just how quickly it can disappear. That's your early warning sign. When you notice peanut butter running low in stores, it's a signal that people are preparing for uncertainty. It's a subtle but important indicator that things might be changing, and it's time to think ahead. If you want to be prepared, keep peanut butter high on your list. It's versatile, nutritious, and stores well. Stocking up doesn't mean hoarding, but having a few extra jars on hand can make a big difference. You can use it in sandwiches, smoothies, sauces, or just as a quick snack. Its versatility means you'll never get bored, and its nutrition means you'll always have something substantial to eat. Don't wait until it's gone. Make peanut butter a priority in your pantry, and you'll always have a reliable, comforting, and nourishing option ready for whatever comes your way. When life throws a curveball, be it a sudden storm, a power outage, or even just an unexpectedly busy week, ready-to-eat foods like canned soups, instant ramen, and energy bars can truly be lifesavers. These humble staples are often overlooked until the moment you need them most. They're the unsung heroes of the pantry, quietly waiting for their chance to step in when disruptions hit and your regular meal plans go out the window. The beauty of these foods is their simplicity. Shelf-stable, and requiring little to no preparation, they're perfect for those times when cooking isn't an option. Whether you're dealing with a blackout, a broken stove, or just too tired to cook after a long day. With a few cans or packets on hand, you can have a hot meal in minutes, no matter what's happening outside your door. But here's the catch. When uncertainty strikes, these foods are the first to disappear from store shelves. We've all seen it. Panicked shoppers clearing out the aisles, grabbing whatever they can. In a matter of hours, the once fully stocked shelves are left bare, and those who waited too long are left empty-handed. Most stores don't keep as much inventory as you might think. Their supply is designed for normal shopping patterns, not sudden surges in demand. So, when a short disruption hits, whether it's a snowstorm warning or a citywide power outage, shelves can be emptied overnight, leaving little for latecomers. If you've ever walked into a store and found the canned aisle wiped out, you know the sinking feeling that comes with it. It's a stark reminder of how quickly things can change, and how important it is to be prepared before everyone else starts to panic. The smartest way to build your essential buffer is to do it gradually, before any rush begins. Each time you shop, toss an extra can of soup or a few more packets of noodles into your cart. Over time, you'll build a small reserve without straining your budget or causing shortages for others. This isn't just about convenience, it's about building resilience for you and your loved ones. Having a well-stocked pantry means you're ready for whatever comes your way, whether it's a minor inconvenience or a major disruption. A small stash of ready-to-eat foods buys you precious time and flexibility when life gets unpredictable. It's a simple step that can make a world of difference, ensuring you're always prepared, comfortable, and able to weather any storm. Cooking fats, oils, butter shortening, are the first to vanish when supply chains get squeezed. Oil production is centralized and fragile. A single disruption can empty shelves or send prices soaring. Without fats, meals lose flavor, texture, and crucial calories. People quickly adapt, baking less, skipping fried foods or using odd substitutes, but those workarounds don't last. Once the supply dries up, meal options shrink fast. Fats are calorie-dense and essential for nutrition. Keep a backup of oils or shelf-stable fats. They last a long time and make every meal better. A little goes a long way. Salt is everywhere, until it's not. Food-grade salt must be mined, processed, and shipped, so disruptions can make it scarce fast. Salt isn't just for flavor, it's a critical electrolyte and the oldest food preservative. No salt means no pickling, no curing, and fewer ways to keep food edible without refrigeration. Appetite fatigue sets in quickly without it. Salt is cheap and stores forever, but nobody thinks to stock up until it's gone. A little extra in your pantry is cheap insurance. It could make all the difference if you have to stretch your supplies. Protein shortages creep up slowly. At first you swap fresh meat for canned beans or eat a little less, but over time, your body feels the loss. Shelf-stable proteins, canned tuna, beans, jerky, powdered eggs, are your safety net. When supply tightens, these vanish fast as people rush to stock up. The risk isn't just hunger, it's gradual health decline, especially for kids and older adults. Behavior shifts, skipping meals, prioritizing protein for kids, eating more carbs. Don't wait for a crisis. Keep a stash of shelf-stable protein. It's not flashy, but it's fundamental. Rice, oats and pasta are the backbone of daily meals worldwide. They're cheap, filling, and store well, but even these basics aren't immune to disruptions. A blocked route or bad harvest can make prices jump or shelves go bare. Their versatility makes them the first thing people buy in bulk when shortages loom. The risk, hoarding and store limits. The good news, they're easy to store for years. Build your base early. Don't wait until only the weird flavors are left. A solid stash gives you flexibility to eat well, no matter what. Sweetness is more important than you think. Sugar and honey are among the first luxuries to go when supply chains tighten. Honey stands out. It lasts forever, boosts energy, preserves food, and lifts morale. But honey supply depends on local ecosystems, so disruptions hit hard, and prices spike. A little honey goes a long way in tough times. It's not just a treat, it's a survival tool for both calories and comfort. Keep a jar or two on hand before it's gone. Spices, sauces and seasonings turn basic foods into meals you actually want to eat and truly enjoy. Appetite fatigue is real. Bland meals mean people eat less, even if food is available and plentiful. Seasonings stretch limited ingredients and help break the monotony. But they're often imported and vulnerable to sudden supply shocks. When shortages hit, prices soar and shelves quickly empty. Build a small, diverse stash of dried herbs, spices, and sauces. They last for years and keep meals interesting and flavorful. In tough times, flavor is real motivation. Vinegar is a pantry multi-tool, flavor booster, preservative, and cleaner. It's made from fermented grains or fruits, so its supply chain is fragile. When disruptions hit, fancy vinegars go first, but even basic white vinegar can get scarce. Vinegar keeps food safe, freshens produce, and even sanitizes surfaces. It's a rare two-in-one, food and hygiene in one bottle. Always keep a backup bottle or two. Vinegar lasts for years and has endless uses. It's not glamorous, but it's indispensable. Fresh produce is the first casualty in any supply chain issue, too perishable to last, and often the first to disappear from store shelves during disruptions. Canned and dried vegetables are your insurance for essential vitamins and minerals when fresh options are suddenly gone or hard to find. They last for years, require little maintenance, and help keep your nutrition on track no matter what. Don't overlook them. They're your reliable backup when the shelves go bare and fresh food is nowhere to be found.